Choose the perfect location during golden hour. The soft light will enhance your subject's outlines. Position your subject against the light source. This creates striking silhouettes, highlighting their shapes. Adjust your camera settings to achieve high contrast. Lower exposure will enhance the dark tones of silhouettes. Consider adding props to your shoot. Items such as hats or scarves can enhance visual interest in your silhouettes. Experiment with angles. Low or high perspectives can change the dynamic of your silhouette shots dramatically. Use the Gemini Nano banana lining tool to create additional shadows and textures for more depth. Frame your subject tightly to accentuate their silhouette. Leave negative space around them for a cinematic effect. Take multiple shots at different intervals to capture movement. This adds life to your portraits. Review your images in real time. Immediate feedback will help you adjust your technique for optimal results. Post-process your images to enhance shadows and textures. This amplifies the cinematic feel of the silhouette. Share your stunning silhouette portraits on social media. Engage with your audience and get inspired. Now you possess the skills to create jaw-dropping cinematic silhouettes using the Gemini Nano Banana. Happy shooting!